Hello, my name is Eric Jameson, Midwest Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today, we're going to be shipping 2 brand new external flow screens to a beef harvest plant. This shipment marks an exciting milestone as we've now shipped over 2,000 screens since 1994. The units you see here are Lyco's 36 by 120 external flow screens designed to separate liquid from solids in wastewater pretreatment facilities. Before they go, we want to show you the unique advantages Lyco's external flow screen brings to the industry. Externally fed screens are ideal for harvest and further processing plants that have a lot of hair, fats, oils, and greases, where an externally fed screen fits the application better than internally fed or stationary side hill screens. Lyco's quality and ruggedness in making screens is like no other manufacturer. The entire design has been built with precision, heavy-duty construction for both the main frame as well as the main drum. Lyco screens are built with wedge wire, which is more efficient and less apt to plug than a perforated plate. With the wedge wire design, openings in the screen can vary between 30 thousandths to 60 thousandths opening. Our screens also come standard with cleanout ports for ease of cleaning and inspection. We also offer optional cleanout valves for many of our units. Let's review how Lyco's external flow screen works. Product and water are pumped through the head box, and the water goes through the screen and out the back drain. The solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning, and the doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen. For more information on Lyco's external flow screen or any of our other equipment, feel free to visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call us at 920-623-4152.